Ho! It'd be me, Prospector Paul, and my trusty mule Strauss. We're fixin' to find us some word parts in this here mine. I've been mining in these hills since I was just knee-high to a grasshopper. Come to think of it, it was in this very mine where my great-grandpappy Presley taught me how to read them big old words by breaking them into smaller parts that I already knew. I'll show y'all what I mean. Hoot fire! I've gone and found me a good one. Let's see if I can use this here pick to break up this big word into smaller parts I already know. I think I just noticed something. This here word is a compound word. Sun and flower. Stop your fretting, Strauss. Let me explain. Remember, a compound word is just a word that's made from two smaller words put together. In this here case, the compound word sunflower is made up of the words sun and flower. Get it? Lucky Lucy, I found me a real doozy this time. How about you give this one a try, Strauss? Nonsense. You can do it. Just go on and take a good look at the word. What two smaller words make up this one long word? Dog. House. Radio, Strauss. Doghouse is made up of the words dog and house. Let's find us some more. Hoot fire! Look at them all. Don't get your reins in a knot, Strauss. These aren't compound words, but we can still break them up into word parts that we already know. Like this one. We know the word appear. Or this one. We know the word luck. Or this one. We know the word joy. Jumpin' June bugs, we struck the mother lode. Look at all them words. I'm gonna need my stepladder to reach them all. This stepladder's as useless as a screen door on a submarine. I'm gonna need a hand, Strauss. Steady, boy. Now, what I need to do here is split these words up into the word parts that I do know. Like bass and cat, basket, or pen and sill, pencil, or tab and let, tablet. Woo-wee, this mining is hard work. I'm plumb tuckered out. Glad to save me the best word for last. Friendship. You know what that word means, Strauss? Oh, you got me all misty-eyed, Strauss. Well, Strauss and I best get cleaned up before supper. It sure has been a hoot. You come back again real soon, you hear?